Welcome to Gear Grinders, your go-to source for the hottest rides and latest automotive innovations. Today, we're diving into the rebirth of an American legend, the 2025 Chevrolet Nova SS. Once a street machine icon of the muscle car era, the Nova SS returns with a modernized design, cutting-edge performance, and just enough retro attitude to keep the legacy alive. Let's take a closer look at how Chevy's classic street bruiser is rewriting the rules for the modern muscle coupe. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Nova SS instantly turns heads with its aggressive yet clean lines that pay homage to its 1970s predecessors. The wide stance, fastback roofline, and squared-off rear end nod to its heritage, while modern LED lighting, aerodynamic sculpting, and sharp character lines give it a fresh, high-performance edge. Chevy offers the Nova SS in a variety of heritage-inspired colorways, think bold reds, jet blacks, and metallic silvers, with optional racing stripes for that track-ready feel. The modern take blends vintage flair with 21st century aggression, creating a coupe that's both nostalgic and future-forward. Performance and powertrain. Powering the Nova SS is a 6.2L LT1 V8 engine, churning out 470 horsepower and 455 lb-ft of torque, paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 10-speed automatic transmission. For those wanting even more firepower, a track-focused SS1 LE trim pushes over 500 horses and includes enhanced cooling, Brembo brakes, and performance suspension tuning. The rear-wheel drive setup and lightweight chassis give the Nova SS razor-sharp responsiveness, making it equally thrilling on tight canyon roads or drag strips. Chevy's performance traction management and drive mode selector let drivers customize their experience with a tap. Interior and technology. Inside, the Nova SS balances retro charm with modern tech. Bucket seats with contrast stitching, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and analog-inspired digital gauges bring the classic muscle car vibe to life. A 13.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in Google Apps keeps you connected, while a premium Bose audio system makes every drive a concert. Safety tech like blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and lane keeping assist comes standard, making this beast just as safe as it is fast. Conclusion. The 2025 Chevrolet Nova SS is a triumphant return to form for one of Chevy's most beloved nameplates. With retro-inspired design, big V8 power, and modern technology, it delivers the kind of muscle car experience that enthusiasts crave with the refinement today's drivers expect. Whether you're reliving glory days or starting your own legend, the Nova SS makes a powerful impression. Stay locked into Gear Grinders for more first looks, performance reviews, and deep dives into the hottest rides on the road.